what's up, Beijing?
在我有冰淇淋，我很喜。
This basically video more to cancel TikTok, you know, like some people try to cancel stars or some popular persons just for, I don't know, dark humor. But in this situation, we have a lot of reasons to cancel, but people try to act and joke about it, like, I don't know, bro. Chinese government done a lot of bad stuff, you know, bro. And in this video, I just try to explain you why is Chinese government actually do bad stuff. And again, it's doing not only Xi Jinping, it's doing Chinese people, not Xi Jinping. I don't know, ride the tank and killing people in this tank. No, it's doing Chinese people. Basically, I wanna tell about also Uyghurs genocide, like concentration lagers of Uyghurs, and nobody talk about this because China just have a lot of resources. China has a lot of money. Nobody will talk about it because China have resources to close mouth of politicals. Just give them money and don't talk about Uyghur. Interesting stuff, but I searched in TikTok about genocide of Uyghurs and I found it in TikTok. It's actually interesting because I thought this not be information about them in this app.
I disagree that you will find content that is critical of China on our platform.
So this might be a little bit sunshine, but they just a few videos and they didn't have any promotion. They didn't have any likes.
Also, do you remember about coronavirus? Chinese government hide it, like from all people. It's basically why it's spread around the world and killed a lot of people. Also wanting to start a war with Taiwan. Chinese even sometimes try to act like attacking this country.
Joe Biden last year said that Xi Jinping was a dictator. Do you agree with Joe Biden that Xi Jinping a dictator?
Senator, I'm not going to comment on any world leaders.
Why won't you answer these very simple questions?
And yes, Xi Jinping is a dictator, and Singapore support Chinese and oppose independence of Taiwan. It's actually true.
Have you ever been a member of the Chinese Communist Party?
Senator, I'm Singaporean. No.
Have you ever been associated or affiliated with the Chinese Communist Party?
No, Senator. Again, I'm Singaporean.
Of what nation are you a citizen?
Singapore.
Are you a citizen?
Congressman, I'm Singaporean. Bro, I don't fucking care. Do you know what Singaporean parliament? Singapore consistently maintains a one China policy and opposes independence for Taiwan. We took this fundamental position even before we established diplomatic relationship with the PRC. Basically, Singapore lick ass of Xi Jinping. But it's not Singaporean app, bro. It's just global version of Chinese. And this propaganda about like CEO of TikTok is Singaporean when app is also Singaporean. No, bro. It don't give anything. Like he's just Singaporean CEO. He's just director, but it's actually Chinese app. You can just Google history of TikTok and just you can prove it to yourself. Father company, but it's father company of this app, bro. Basically, it's like elephant in the room.
By elephant in the room, I mean like congressmen being incorrect with asking about his nationality. Of course, he's Singaporean, but they should ask about who made this app, who is controlling this app, and who has father company of it.
And all of this make my pussy a little bit angry. Sorry, I have angry issues and I'm working with my therapist about my opinion about this. It's like buy TikTok from China government and just make politicless, propagandaless, like without this stuff. For me, this app is just a meme. Like I only see meme there, okay? Nothing more, nothing much. What happened in 1989? Like, bro, People's Libertarian Army stormed the square with tanks, crushing the protests with terrible human cost. Basically, there was student just for the meeting. How do you support? How do you make memes about this? Like, bro.
How to say, be good for daddy in Chinese.
Bro, very evil country. Like, it's not about even government. Thanks rights, not government. And if you try act normal, don't do nothing, just like keep your mouth shut and do nothing, it's also supporting.
The political system doesn't change after this. Nobody get fired. They still have same country who kill people, who try to attack some country and support evil countries as Russia.
This ban is actually not really like bad. You can also use VPN or some mods. Like in my country, I'm from Russia, yeah, also bad. I use mod, like I don't have access to TikTok also, bro. So bro, you know what I mean.
Put that cookie down. Put that cookie down. Hey!
Hey yo, pee pee poo poo check.
Hell yeah.
Okay, never mind. TikTok doesn't need anymore. Thank you, Google.